Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever shopped on SHEIN and ended up with something that didn't quite fit or wasn't what you expected, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down how to return items on SHEIN in 2025, step by step. This process has gotten even easier with their updated app features, including AI-powered assistance. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you check SHEIN's return policy. In 2025, SHEIN allows returns within 45 days for most items, but always double-check for any exceptions like final sale products. Start by logging into your SHEIN account on their website or app. Once you're in, head over to the My Orders section. This is where all your recent purchases are listed. Next, find the order that contains the item you want to return and click on it. You'll see a Return or Request Return button. Go ahead and select that. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the items from that order you wish to send back. Select the one you want, then pick a reason for the return from the drop-down menu. Options might include wrong size, damaged item, or changed my mind. Be honest here, as it helps SHEIN improve. After that, the system will guide you through generating a return shipping label. In 2025, SHEIN's AI chat feature can even suggest the best shipping options based on your location. Package your item securely in its original packaging if possible, include any tags or accessories, and attach the label. Drop it off at a partnered shipping location, like a post office or UPS store. Once shipped, keep an eye on the tracking number provided. SHEIN usually processes refunds within 7 to 10 business days after they receive the item. Pro tip: take photos of the packaged return before sending it off, just in case. And remember, if you run into any issues, use the in-app chat for instant help. It's a game changer. There you have it, folks. A simple guide to returning items on SHEIN in 2025. It saves time and hassle, so you can keep shopping worry-free. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.